क्या लोग क्या पे मैम आएंगे सही अभी यहाँ पे
Well, actually, Sonali's book club is presenting the movie, which is called Book Club, and it's such an apt title for friends who form a book club and how their life changes and what are the things that happen in their lives. So it's a really sweet movie, very, very fresh, and I thought it was really apt to do a tie-up like this with my book club because I think my book club members deserve something special. Yes, absolutely, and they've been so wonderful and they've been so enthusiastic that if I can, in an organic way, get them something extra, I'm always going to try and do that. So this I thought was a great thing to get for the members. Unfortunately, we have members only from Mumbai over here. Maybe one day we will get there where we'll have, yes, we will, but it's a book club and it's we don't have that kind of monies, but we have a huge heart and lots of love for all our members. I have some of my really dear friends because this movie is more about girlfriends getting together, so I have a couple of my girlfriends also coming in, really just some close friends with my book club members to watch the preview of the movie. So like we said, before the audience sees it, we get to see it.
Sonali, talking about book and love towards book, which are the books that when you have read and you thought that it was like it changes your thought or it changes your life?
Honestly, every book changes you in some way because something you are gaining from it, and they always give you something. So, but I think when you're younger, the life-changing sort of changes happen. Now there are little things, and there's always something that you take away from every book. When I was younger, there were a couple of authors that really influenced me, and I think now in the recent times, it's Elif Shafak's 40 Rules of Love, which have left a huge impact on me because I think I'm in a relationship, in a marriage, in love, and what does a mature relationship mean? So I'm at that age where I kind of appreciate it and understand it, so that book really means a lot to me. But otherwise, Isabel Allende, Toni Morrison, they've been authors who have really changed my life. It has helped me look, they were strong women writers, wrote about women, and that kind of subconsciously made me the woman I am.
Guys, please.
अरे आप बीच में हटो ना यार क्या कर रहे हो अरे 2 मिनट रुको ना वो रुक रहे हैं ट्विंकल अरे पीछे कैमरा भाई अरे मोबाइल फ्रेम में आ रहे अरे लेफ्ट में जा अजय पूरा फ्रेम में साइड हट जाएंगे पीछे मोबाइल मैम लुक हियर मैम सेंटर अरे सेटअप तेरा कैमरा पूरा लाइट निकल ले सोलो ट्विंकल जी एक सोलो ट्विंकल मैम एक सोलो मैम सोलो कुछ तो बोलो मैम आइए मैडम इधर देखिए नहीं मैम यहाँ पे मैम इधर लेफ्ट साइड मैम सेंटर आपके मैम यहाँ पे इधर मैम राइट मैम लेफ्ट इधर देखिए किशन जी सोलो मैम लेफ्ट मैम यहाँ पे मैम अनुजी क्या कर रहे हैं मैम यहाँ मैम
सामने देखिए ना, ये सेंटर मैम,
मैम राइट साइड, मैम सेंटर, मैम लेफ्ट.
Because she's so enterprising, she's such an intelligent, voracious reader, and I think that good quality in her is now spreading, and she's exposing her her beautiful intellect, and I'm really proud to be here today because I know that she is she's just doing this from the heart. And that's why I think that it's going to keep adding and getting more members, and all the best to the book club.
Ma'am, talking about the movie.
No, I'll leave that for Sonali. I am her fan. Yeah. My favorite authors, oh my God, there are like so many. I like Khalid Hosseini, and I like J.K. Rowling. I like all.
Center.
Yeah.
I'm going to get in between now. We need to start.
Okay, bye. See you.
Just a second, one last question. What do you want to say about the movie? It's a ensemble cast.
I think it will be really beautiful and all very good actresses. And like Jane Fonda is one of my favorites, so I'm really happy. Yeah,
Thank you.
सब रिपोर्टर बाहर है.
Would you like to I have some questions for my friends. First of all, I have a question for Vijay. How were the 12 years? Can we catch you? Can we get a mic to her? I'm sure they'll pass the mic if you give it to the Oh my God, the husband says the years have gone too fast. That's wonderful. Vijay, you're doing something absolutely right, and that's wonderful. Continue that. Amazing. I have a question for my friends. Who can I ask?
Is there a book of your own coming out soon?
Oh,
Yeah.
Chaya, I'm being a little lazy. It takes a lot of discipline, and I'm just not writing. We have another author who's not as lazy as me and writes really well and very fast, and that's Twinkle. Tina, thank you. I actually want to ask a question. Tina, what do you think of my book club?
I think it's great. I
Have you
was
joined it?
part of your book club.
Have you joined it?
I read faster in the book club. I
You
read
can still
up
join it and be a part of the conversation.
Yes, I will join the book club. And I did read Woman in a Window. I found the end very disappointing. I'm very sorry to say so.
It's nice to hear that. So, join us for conversations. Tina.
I will. And I love your book club.
Thank you, Tina. And, I have another author here, and that's Sachin Kundalkar. Has written a book, which is one of my favorites, I read the translation, Sachin, sorry about that, it's Cobalt Blue, Jerry Pinto translated it. Sachin, what do you think of 50 Shades of Grey?
Sorry.
Have you read it?
No, I haven't.
Oh, come on, Sachin.
No, I haven't.
Okay, then who shall we ask? What do you think of the book club?
Well, I found this whole idea fascinating. I never knew you had a book club, but I came to know about it. Wonderful. I think it's a generation which sees things now than reading. We have been converted into people who watch. We don't read anymore. I think this whole endeavor that you're doing, I think, fuels passion about books.
I love
find it
hearing
amazing.
things about myself. Thank you. And I want to ask Bhavna, which is your favorite book, Bhavna? Which is your favorite book?
Honestly, I've not read a book in a long time.
Oh no.
I'm being very honest. I've been really bad. For a long time, I haven't read a book.
Okay, Bhavna, so you desperately need to join the book club and start reading.
I will, I promise.
I have Savri here, my dear friend Savri. Where are you, Sav? Sav, which is your favorite book character? Sav, you're thinking about it for so long.
I'm going to say Popeye because that's what Anusha believes.
Okay, this answer deserves a prize. This answer deserves a prize. You know what I have? I have a little something for you. It's this, what I'm wearing, this beautiful jewelry, this lady Rupashri designs, and it's got book quotes in it. So I have one for you. Savri gets one.
But that's a tough one, really. What is your favorite book character?
Oh my gosh.
See? I couldn't come up with it either.
Yeah. Okay, I have one for Chaya. Chaya, which is the book you would like to live in? Yeah. Okay, pass it on to Anand. You know, these are my support system, my school mums who run a book club in school, so they should know these answers.
Right now we have come up grade 7 books.
Tara, come on, you give me the answer. Some historical character that you like.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wait,
solo.
Wait.
रुके ना भावना मैम यहाँ इधर देखिए ना मैम इसको ना मैम आप एक मिनट एनर्जी इधर मैम यहाँ
मैम लोग क्या मैम?
यहाँ
मैम सेंटर मैम
अबे लगा बे अरे मैं साइड ले रहा जल्दी करो यार रेडी हो
एक मिनट
चलो
थोड़ा आगे लेना उनको रोलिंग बस हाँ बस
what do you want to say about the movie
Luke Center, ma'am.
all styles are there it's like ensemble film what do you want to say about it
Well, it sounds very exciting. All the females in the film are wonderful actors, and I love the concept of they, being at the age they are, and going through this book called 50 Shades of Grey, which we all know what it's about and how it changes their lives and all of that. I think it sounds very interesting, and I'm very excited to watch the film. Yeah, thank you.
rolling okay so ma'am what do you want to say about the movie book club it's a movie which everyone has been awaited what do you want to say about it
I'm very excited to, again, like 4 women together and at that age, and I do feel that it's about reinventing yourself and not letting things like age and all of that bother you, and that bond that women share with each other, which is, I think, beyond everything else, as female friendship is like that. And also, I'm a big Diane Keaton fan, so I'm just looking forward to watching her after so long.
Thank
So,
you.
thank
Thank you.
you.